A very powerful tool which will be helpful for you while auditing or editing or data cleanup. So let's unlock this special tool called as Go to Special Cells.
Welcome to Vayu Global Learnings, a perfect place to learn Excel from scratch. This is Varsha Naramdev, a corporate trainer and consultant.
Table. Here I want to write a formula for January percentage sale. So January month product 1 T001 divided by total sale of January. So the formula will be B2 divided by $17 because 17 is same for all the rows. Okay. Now this formula I want to copy for Feb also. Then I want to copy paste for March also, April, May, June and so on. So instead of first writing formula and then copy paste, the another way of doing it, which will save your time, is go to special cell blank. So let's see how to do this. Click anywhere cell inside the table, press Ctrl A, then press Ctrl G. It will open the go to screen in front of you. Now you will see in this go to screen, there is a button special. So it means I want to go to a particular cell. So there are many cells which are considered as special. So you can see the labels over here, constant, formula, blank, conditional format. So here I am looking for blanks. So select blank option and click OK. You will see it has selected all the blank cell. Now write your formula without clicking here and there. Remember, just start writing equals to B2 divided by $70. After that, Control Enter. Remember, Control Enter will paste this formula in all over the selected cell. Understood? Now, in the same table, suppose I want to change the format of the cells wherever I have labels. Labels means text, wherever I have text constant. Understood? So first of all, click anywhere inside, press Ctrl A, then press Ctrl G, click special. Now this time, which type of special cell I'm looking for? I'm looking for constant. Now, which type of constant? Then you have to select, I want text constant, not number, not logical, not error. I'm looking for text constant. Then click OK. It has selected the labels only. Then do whatever formatting you want. I have changed the font color. Now I'm changing the background color of this cell. So this has made my job very easier and faster. Understood? Now, in this example, I want to select the cells where I have only numbers and I want to format. Like Jan column, Feb column, March column, I have only numbers and percentage says where you can see the numbers, they are actually formula. So I don't want formula, I want numbers. Select, then Control G, then click special. Now here again, the point is constant. I am selecting constant, but which type of constant this time? It is numbers. So remove tick mark from others and click OK. You will see only numbers are selected. Now give format, whatever type of format you are looking for. Here I am changing the font dark color for the background cell. See, my job is done. In this task, I want to format the cells where I have formula. So in the percentage sales, we have written the formula, remember? So click anywhere inside the table, press Ctrl A, then press Ctrl G, then press special. This time we are not looking for constant, we are looking for formula. And it can be any type of formula. You can specify in your case. Click OK. And then format as per your choice and need. And your job is done. Understood? Start using this go to special tool and increase your productivity. Thank you very much. This is Varsha Naramdeo, corporate trainer and consultant.